I recently applied and received my CCW permit through LAPD, and I wanted to share my experience with you. Before I started my process, I was looking for videos on YouTube, and while there seems to be a lot of videos on how to apply for your CCW in California, I couldn't find any videos that talked about the process through LAPD. Most agencies in California have somewhat the same process for the application, but I wanted to share the steps it took me to receive my permit in the city of Los Angeles. So here it is. Step 1. Get on the waiting list. The LAPD requires you to email their CCW processing team to be added to the waiting list. When your turn comes up, they will send you an email authorizing you to begin the application process. I joined the waiting list in March 2025 and immediately received confirmation that my spot was secured. They also let me know that I would be notified when it's my turn to apply. Step 2. Approved to apply. On November 13th, 2025, about 8 months after being put on the waiting list, I received an email that I was approved to apply. A link was provided in the email that took me to the application portal called Permitium. Step 3. Document upload. The same portal is also used to upload required documents like your ID, utility bill. Step 4. Schedule an in-person interview. After document upload, the system emailed me that I needed to schedule an in-person interview. My interview was scheduled 3 days after I submitted my initial application, which was surprising to me. So I showed up to the interview. There were maybe 50 or so other applicants at that same office, going through the same interviewing process. After meeting the detective, who was very kind and welcoming, we went over the data in my application, the address, phone number, and the handguns I wanted to list on my permit. He asked me to continue with my live scan first and start looking for a preferred location to do the mandatory 16-hour training. However, he asked me to wait until I received a notification from LAPD to do the training. Step 5. Submit live scan. Pretty simple process. The live scan form can be downloaded from the Permitium portal and taken to a local live scan location. Paid the fee and uploaded the live scan receipt that contained an ATI number. That ATI number allows you and the detective assigned to your application to track the status of the DOJ live scan process. Step 6. Notice to schedule training. The live scan results took about a month to clear. I received an email from LAPD that my application has advanced to the next level and I should schedule my training class. I picked a company called Nationwide CCW for my training. After receiving the completion certificate, I logged into Permitium and uploaded the 2 pages I received from the training instructor. Step 7. Approval letter was received from Los Angeles Chief of Police. It took 2 weeks from the day I uploaded the training certificates to receive the approval letter from the LAPD Chief of Police, stating that in his opinion I have showcased enough qualifying factors to responsibly conceal carry a gun, in compliance with LAPD statutes. Step 8. Submit final payment. I submitted the remaining balance for my permit, and Permitium confirmed that all payments have been received and that this was the final step, and that I will be receiving my permit in the mail in 2 to 4 weeks. It took less than 10 days for the permit to arrive. For a long time, getting a concealed carry permit in Los Angeles felt like a long shot. It used to seem almost unattainable, which is why it was so encouraging to see what felt like a real change in approach from law enforcement toward responsible, law-abiding gun owners. I was genuinely impressed by the level of professionalism and transparency shown by the LAPD detectives and the entire CCW processing team. From start to finish, they came across as organized, respectful, and supportive of qualified applicants. Rather than creating hurdles, they seemed focused on guiding people through the process, quite different from the stories many of us had heard in years past about applying through the sheriff's department. Overall, I'm very pleased with how my application was handled and with how smoothly everything moved along. That's been my personal experience obtaining my permit. And just to be clear, this isn't sponsored in any way. I wasn't paid or asked to say any of this. These are simply my honest, unbiased impressions. I'd be interested to hear about your experience. Was it similar or did your process look different? If you found this helpful, please consider supporting the channel by hitting those buttons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.